Okay, so if you are watching this video, then that means you have already entered the information into your notebook that looks like this, and you are ready to now move on to the next page in your notebook. So for first block, that would be page 45. For second block, it would be page 37. We're going to enter a foldable into our notebooks today, so I'm going to show you how to make the foldable, and then I'm going to show you some things that I want you to put into that foldable, and I'm going to ask you to do this into your notebook. So bear with me because I'm having to do this one-handed. So you're going to get two things. You're going to get a half a sheet paper that says dividing decimals by decimals, and then you're going to get a half sheet paper that is completely blank. So here's what you're going to do to make these two pieces of paper work for you the way that you need them to work for you. If you can see how I'm laying my papers down, you're going to notice I'm not putting them with the edges lined up. I am taking the one that says dividing decimals by decimals, and I've put it about an inch, so you see how far it is on my finger, above the bottom of my second page. Once you've done that, then you want to flip them over, and you want to fold it over like this. Basically what you're trying to accomplish is that it's going to look something like this. So if you can't do it, then I'm sure that the substitute can help you, or somebody at your table can possibly help you figure out how to fold it. I'll show you one more time. So this is what it looks like. And what I'm going to do is flip it over, and then you fold it towards you. So this is what it looks like once you've folded it. This is going to be your flip book. And then what you'll need to do is you'll need to get the stapler, and you're going to see I just barely staple it together to hold it together. And this is what it looks like. So this is my foldable. We are going to label the 3 steps on these 3 tabs. Now, I have some different colored markers. You can use markers, you can use colored pencils, you can use your pencil. It doesn't really matter. So what I'm going to put on this first tab is I'm going to put step 1. And if you don't remember what step 1 was, you can go back and look in your notebook. Okay, so you're going to put step 1, and then you're going to list out step 1 right there. Then you're going to put step 2 on the second one, and you're going to list out step 2. And then on the last one, you're going to put step 3. And then you're going to list the final step. Once you've done that, you're going to open this up so that it looks like this. And you are going to solve this problem step by step. So here's the first one. So if this were my first step, I wouldn't want to solve it because this first step doesn't say solve the problem. So you're going to physically work each step one step at a time. It's going to be the exact same problem here as it is here, except it's going to look a little bit different because you're going to have changed it a little bit. When you're finished, you put glue on the back, and it goes glued into your notebook on the page opposite of our notes for today. Thanks, guys.